Right, so let's look at some vocabulary words. Health. 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 So, we have headache. Headache. Stomach ache. Headache. Oh, headache. We have an ache in the head. Oof. Ache. Ache in the head. Ache in the head. Ooh. Likewise, we have stomach ache. An ache in the stomach. Ache in the stomach. Ooh. 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 The stomach. Stomach ache. Headache. Oh. And a cold. Oh. Cold. Oh. Very, very cold temperature-wise. Not feeling well. Not very strong. Oh. Cold. And the cough. Off. Cough. Cough. I need a cough drop. Cough drop. Cough drop. A little sweet. Oh. And suck on it. Don't chew. Yeah. And then we have sunstroke. Too much sun, too much heat, too hot. Whew, too hot. Whoa, it's way too hot. Oh. Not good. And toothache. An ache. An ache in the tooth. Ache in the tooth. An ache in the tooth. And then we have pain. Pain. Ooh. Oh. Oh. And beyond. You get the idea. Then we have burning. So think fire. Fire. If burning sensation like fire. 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 And burning, and it feels horrible. It's just constant heat, and it feels like burning. Just not nice, not pleasant, not comfortable. Comfortable. Then we have vomit. So imagine the mouth. There's the nose. Blech. Vomit. Blech. Yeah, and here's the eye. Yeah, yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, you get the idea. not very pleasant. Vomit. Nice, nice. Okay, and then we have unwell or sick. Unwell. I'm well. I'm healthy. I'm sick. I'm unwell. Oh, sick. Oh. Unwell, oh, feeling tired, feeling sleepy, blocked nose, I'm so unwell, very sick, oh. Unwell, sick. And then we have allergic. So you might be allergic to pollen from the trees, from the plants, to cats or dogs, certain kinds of foods, nuts for example. You eat it, and you become unwell. Oh, unhealthy, and you're unwell. You're not unhealthy. You're just not healthy. Like oh, maybe bloated. Bloated. Bloat. And bloated. Or swell. Swelling up. Swelling. Swelling. Yeah. So how cool is that, language explorers? So, headache, ache of the head, oof. Stomach ache, oof. Cold, oh, cold. Cough, sunstroke, too hot, oh. Toothache, pain, burning, vomit, bleh. Unwell, oh. And allergic. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.